Hi, my name is Pedro Set. I'm a farm manager for Cadiz. We're right now on harvest seasons for the crop 2021. We've had about 50 acres planted this year. We're thinking that on the low side will be probably about 225,000 pounds of hemp. We're growing about 200% from last year volume per acre. We're expecting a really good harvest. We're almost probably a couple of days away from all this being chopped up and baled for extraction.
So this year we got a lot of purple flower. I always like purple. It's something that it's a unique taste usually. There's terpenes and cannabinoid makeups that are very unique that you can only get really with purple. A lot of it's genetics, a lot of it's just pretty looks. But we're really happy with how much we got this year. Nice dense nugs. We're really excited to start processing all this.